Assalamualaikum, my name is Education Wadi and I am a student at Jahan College, Karachi. So today's video is about my third TEDx start learning how to learn by Barbara Oakley. So in that video, learning how to learn by Barbara Oakley, it is a transformative guide that demystifies the biological processes of the brain to help anyone master complex subjects. The core of it lies in understanding the balance between the focus mode, where we concentrate intensely on specific details, and the diffuse mode, a relaxed state where the brain makes creative connections in the background. Oakley explains that learning is not about raw intelligence but about building chains, compact packages of information that the mind can easily access. She tackles the universal struggle of procrastination by revealing that the pain we feel when starting a task is just a temporary neurological reaction which one can be overcome using the Pomodoro technique. A key takeaway is the danger of passive learning. See, instead of just reading notes, Oakley advocates for active recall, testing yourself to pull information out of your mind and spaced repetition to ensure that new knowledge sticks for the long term. Ultimately, the book empowers readers by proving that with the right mental tools, anyone can revise their So, Oakley advocates for active recall, testing yourself to pull information out of your mind, and spaced repetition to ensure that knowledge sticks for the long term. Ultimately, the book empowers readers by proving that with the right mental tools, anyone can rewire their brain to learn anything. One of the most eye opening parts of the book is Oakley's deep dive into procrastination as a psychological habit. She explains that when we look at a task we don't want to do, the pain centers of our brain actually light up to stop this discomfort. Our brain naturally tries to switch our attention to something more pleasant, like social media or a snack. The secret to beating this is not willpower, which is a limited resource, but rather tricking the brain by focusing on process rather than protect. Instead of worrying about Instead of worrying about finishing the chapter, you simply commit to 25 minutes of work. This lowers the pain barrier and makes it easier to just start. Beyond just studying, Oakley emphasizes the vital role of sleep in the learning process. She describes sleep not as downtime but as a period of active brain maintenance. While you sleep, your brain cells actually shrink slightly to allow cerebrospinal fluid to wash away toxins that build up during the day. More importantly, this is when your brain strengthens the neural connections you practiced while awake, turning flimsy thoughts into solid memories. Without sleep, the mental mortar never dries, and the chunks of knowledge you try to build simply crumble away by the next morning. So, finally, the book challenges the myth of the natural genius. Oakley introduces the concept of the lady truck, the lady luck of learning, explaining that those who struggle and have to work harder to understand a concept often end up with a deeper, more creative mastery than those who grasp it instantly. While fast learners might follow a straight path, slow learners often take a winding road that allows them to see peripheral details and make unique connections that others miss. By embracing a growth mindset, you realize that your brain is plastic and capable of physical change, meaning that your current ability in any subject is just as strong, is just as a starting point and not a fixed limit. So, in conclusion, learning how to learn is a powerful reminder that our brains are not fixed machines but growing ecosystems. Barbara Oakley's work shifts the focus from what we are learning to how we are processing it, proving that the struggle of a slow learner is often just the brain's way of building a more robust and creative understanding. By respecting the biological needs of our minds, like the necessity of sleep, the power of rest, and the importance of active retrieval, we can move past the frustration of hitting a wall and find joy in the process of mastery. The ultimate goal of book is to turn you into a lifelong learner who no longer fears difficult subjects, whether you are a student, a professional, or someone picking up a new hobby. These techniques provide a roadmap to conquer the illusion of competence, and build knowledge that really lasts. So that was the concept of this video. And thank you. Allah Hafiz.